Plant FAQs. Anthurium polyschistum. Anthurium polyschistum, an FAQ for plant enthusiasts. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Anthurium polyschistum. This unique plant, with its stunning foliage, has captured the hearts of many plant collectors. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Anthurium polyschistum. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Anthurium polyschistum? The Anthurium polyschistum hails from the tropical rainforests of Bolivia, Colombia, and Ecuador. It boasts deeply lobed, palmatisect leaves with a distinctive blue-gray hue. The foliage often resembles a hand with 5 to 9 finger-like segments, adding a touch of whimsy to any indoor space. This Anthurium species is known for its climbing nature. In its natural habitat, it thrives by clinging to trees and other structures for support. While it can be grown upright in a pot, providing a moss pole or trellis will allow it to showcase its full potential. Anthurium polyschistum versus other Anthuriums. What makes it different? There are over 800 species in the Anthurium genus, each with its own unique characteristics. Here's how the polyschistum stands out. Foliage. Unlike the classic heart-shaped leaves of many Anthuriums, the polyschistum features deeply lobed, finger-like segments. Flowering. Most Anthuriums produce showy flowers with a spathe, modified leaf, and spadix, fleshy spike. The polyschistum's flowers are relatively inconspicuous, with a green spathe and a short spadix. Growth habit. While some Anthuriums are compact and bushy, the polyschistum is a climber. Caring for your Anthurium polyschistum. Essential tips. Thriving on a bit of TLC, the Anthurium polyschistum is a relatively easygoing plant. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water moderately, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Humidity. This tropical plant appreciates moderate to high humidity levels, around 60% or more. Grouping it with other plants or using a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or orchid mix are good options. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Temperature. Aim for consistent temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Propagation. Sharing the love of Anthurium polyschistum. The good news is that propagating your Anthurium polyschistum is quite straightforward. Here's a popular method. Stem cuttings. Choose a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes. Make a clean cut just below a node. Potting. Plant the cutting in a pot with a well-draining potting mix, ensuring a node is buried. Humidity. Maintain high humidity around the cutting by covering it with a clear plastic bag. Care. Place the pot in bright, indirect light, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Patience. Rooting can take several weeks. Once new growth appears, gradually remove the plastic bag and continue caring for your new Anthurium polyschistum. Common Anthurium polyschistum problems and solutions. While generally low maintenance, a few issues can arise with your Anthurium polyschistum. Here's how to identify and address them. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive light. Adjust your watering routine and provide appropriate light conditions. Yellow leaves. Older leaves naturally yellow and drop off. However, excessive watering or nutrient deficiency can also cause yellowing. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally be a problem. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap can be used for control. Remember, early detection and intervention are key to resolving any issues with your Anthurium polyschistum. With its unique foliage and easygoing nature, the Anthurium polyschistum is a fantastic addition to any plant collection. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Anthurium polyschistum that will bring a touch of the tropics indoors for years to come.